Hello friends, in this video we are going to learn about the Python functions. So functions is nothing but a collection of statements which is repeatedly used in a program. A function is a block of code which only runs when it is called. Whenever we call the function, at that time only the code written in a function can be executed. You can pass data known as parameters or arguments into a function. What is parameter and argument? We will learn further. Function is used for the code reusability. So here I have defined or declared one Python function. Def is a keyword which is used in Python to define or declare a function. My function is the name of the function, and whenever we are using function we use a parenthesis. In this my function we are using a print statement. This print statement is consist of this is my function. This is nothing but my function, and whenever I call this function I want to print this is my function. So here I have called my function and here it printed this is my function. So this is nothing but the overall structure of function which consists of def keyword, my function, that is the name of function, and whatever we have to write a code in that function, this is here, and my function. Here I am giving the call to the function. We will see arguments and parameters. Arguments or parameters are the values passed to the function. So see here, def is my is function keyword. My function is the name of function, and here I am going to pass one argument or a parameter. This parameter is going to be extracted whenever I use to call a function. Here I print name. That is Kapoor. Whatever the name is present in the parameter, that will be concatenated with the Kapoor. Here I am passing these parameters or arguments called as Yash, Priya and Jay. Whenever I call this my function, at that time this gets printed. That is Yash, Priya and Jay is concatenated with the Kapoor. Here the name is nothing but the argument, and Yash, Priya, Jay are nothing but the values that we are going to pass when we have to call a function. Next we are going to see arbitrary arguments. If the number of arguments is unknown, add a star before the parameter name. If we don't know how much parameters we are going to pass in a function, at that time we use these arbitrary arguments. In this I have declared one function, and I have passed one value names 2. This will search in this argument list and it will see at the second position in the names I have Lynn. Therefore it printed that the child is Lynn. The child is printed from here, and in the names I have Lynn. Lynn is at second position, that's why it get printed 0, 1, 2. Lynn is at second position, that's why it printed the child is Lynn. Now we will see keyword arguments. This is function, and whenever I require, while calling a function, I just assign value here. Child 1 is equal to Mill, child 2 equal to Bias, and child 3 is equal to Lynn. Here I am calling this child 2, that's why it is going to call Bias. Whenever I used to write here 1, at that time it will call a Mill. Just see a demo. Whenever I use here 1 and I execute this will show me as Mill. So this is nothing but the keyword argument. Now we will see default parameter value. By default here we give some values. Whenever user can't enter any value here, at that time this default value got printed. I am from, concatenate with country. Country here is given USA, that's why it printed as I am from USA. Again here is India, that's why it printed I am from India. Here nothing is given. At that time this default parameter get used. In this default I can also use here a country called as South Africa. If I print this will show me an output as South Africa. Because here there is nothing is given, that means the default parameter value is considered and default parameter value is South Africa. Now we will see lambda function. A lambda function is a small anonymous function. A lambda function can take any number of arguments but can only have one expression. a lambda function that sums arguments a, b and c and print the result. Here x is nothing but one variable. In this variable I am going to store this lambda function. For calling lambda function we have to use this lambda keyword. A, b, c are nothing but the variables, and in this function we are going to make an addition of three variables a, b and c, and the value of a, b, c is present while we are going to call this function. So print x, 50, 60 and 20. The addition of 50, 60 and 20 will be 130. In this way we can use a lambda function. These are very easy to use. Again we have one more lambda function called as lambda function that multiplies argument a with the argument b and print the result. Here x is again a function name, lambda, a, b is the variables, a and b we require to multiply. While calling this function print x, 5 and 6. Here I am get an output as a multiplied by b, that is 5, 6, 30. In this way, in this video we have learned lambda function, default parameter value, keyword arguments, arbitrary arguments and parameters, and what are actual functions. I hope you understand. Thanks for watching the video.